Ni hao. Now today we do the last move of the Golden Lotus Qigong, which is the meditation. So in this one, and you just stand still in the one spot, try to calm your body, calm your mind, clear everything. So just focus inside your body and focus on the energy packing back together. When you're starting with a straight, standing straight, hands on the side. So when it starts, let the hands raise up on both sides slowly with the palms facing down. Once get to the center, you turn the palm up and keep coming up. When you come up, put the thumbs together and the pinkies together and put the heels of the palm together. Make it like a cup and receiving the energy on top. And then the fingers, one by one, connected together. And after that, you close up the fingers, the palms, just like that, and close it, then pull it down to your forehead and down to your chest and down to your dantian. So after down to the dantian, you just stay there and do some, have your eyes closed and do your quiet meditation. So on this one, or this cycle, turn around and come down. You do it really slow, and the breathings as many as you want, you need, and really slowly focus inside and the alignments, check the alignments, come up. When the hands come up and the fingers together, up to the center, you can, interesting, you can start with your eyes closed. Once you get to, you think it's a shoulder height, and you can open up your eyes, check both sides, see if the hands, arms evenly at the same level. Sometimes you'll be surprised that may not, one may be higher than the other. So that's checking your alignments, really important. After that, you just slowly turn the palm up. When you come up, you start spread, open the fingers. Again, without looking, the hands, you slowly try to put the hands together. See your thumbs can touch. Sometimes you might miss the thumbs. And that's another way, check your alignments. See if your center even, left and right. And the thumbs, and then the pinkies. And then put the heels together. See, when you do that, thumb together, pinkies together, and then heels together. And after that, you will put the fingers one by one. See, one by one, touch one by one. After touch one by one, and then close up the fingers. So you're receiving. See, when the heels put together, and like a cup, and receiving the energy from the top of your head and drawing down and close up and close up. Keep the energy inside your hands, then draw down to your body. So when you get to here, put the thumbs touch together, pinkies together, fingers together. Put the fingers close up and pull down, slowly down, and to your forehead. And down to your chest. And down to your dantian. So the breathings, when you come down, what I like to do is, after the hands together, and I would have a big inhale, and on the exhale, draw down to your forehead. And stop there for a second or two, and get another inhale, and draw down on the exhale. Inhale again, and come down. Come down to your dantian and put the hands, cross your thumbs together and put right on top of your dantian. And have your eyes closed. Your meditation. Clear up your mind and check the body alignments. See if everything line up. And breathe through your nose. Slowly, quietly. Inhale. And gently exhale. And check your shoulders, see if they are dropped. Your elbows relaxed. And your body is straight, not leaning forward or backwards. So at this form, the last one, you can take your time as long as you want to. And just do it once. One circle, up, then down. Then hold still. This is the end of the form. The number 15, standing meditation. And 谢谢。